In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Mailchimp's email editor to personalize your campaigns with Double. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to smoothly navigate through your email campaigns and add a personal touch that speaks directly to your audience. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to your email campaign. This is where all the magic happens and where you can create engaging content for your recipients. Think of your email campaign as your canvas, blank and ready for your unique touch. Once you're there, scan through your campaign until you find the specific paragraph you want to work on. It's important to know that editing paragraphs is your opportunity to craft messages that resonate with your readers. Just tap the area you're interested in and you'll see your editing options come to life. Whether you're adjusting text, adding links, or inserting images, this is your chance to create compelling content. Now, let's delve into one of the most powerful features available to you. Merge tags. These are essential for personalizing your emails, and they're conveniently located right within the editor. Imagine the power of addressing each recipient by their first name automatically. It's as easy as clicking merge tags. A small tip here. These tags not only make your emails feel more personal, but they also increase engagement rates. When people feel like you're speaking directly to them, they're more likely to engage with your content. Next up, you'll want to select the first name merge tag. This is one of the most popular and effective tags for personalization. By selecting this, you're ensuring that each email sent includes the recipient's first name, creating a personalized touch that doesn't go unnoticed. Personalization like this can significantly enhance the reader's experience and make your emails stand out in their inbox. Finally, when you select certain elements like the first name tag, you may have an option for visibility settings. This is particularly useful if you have a subscription that allows you to target specific audiences. Click on visibility to tailor your message even further, making it visible only to certain audiences. This feature is great for segmenting your campaigns and ensuring the right message reaches the right people. Segmentation based on interest or behavior can dramatically improve how your content is received. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to personalize your Mailchimp email campaigns using Double. Mastering these steps can help boost engagement and make your subscribers feel valued. Thanks for watching.